Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, performing more than 500 metabolic functions that are crucial to life. Your liver helps break down food and provides energy to your other organs, along with filtering out potentially harmful toxins. If you eat a balanced diet, you really don't need liver supplements. But sometimes you can't get all the essential vitamins and nutrients you need, so supplements are appropriate. Here are some that are widely believed to be best for your liver. Vitamin A and iron. Supplementing vitamin A along with iron resolves iron deficiency anemia better than either iron or vitamin A alone. Be careful though, vitamin A can be toxic to the liver in excessive doses. Those with certain liver diseases should talk to their doctor about taking iron because it may promote the formation of scar tissue in the liver. Vitamin D. Researchers recently found that more than 90% of individuals with chronic liver diseases have some degree of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is important because it's the only B complex and water-soluble vitamin that can be stored in the liver. Low B12 levels can cause fatigue, lethargy, disorientation, memory problems, and headaches. Vitamin E. Vitamin E has been shown to reduce oxidative stress, especially in those suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Vitamin E can be hazardous, though, if taken in excess, so check with your doctor about dosages. Once again, a good diet, adding supplements described here when appropriate, can provide your liver and your body with a wide range of antioxidants and nutrients that you need for good health.